Okay, that's exactly what it was. It was one of the little clear beads. So let's see. This one's white peach. I never really heard of white peach, so yeah. It does smell very peachy. I don't know what the whole white peach. Put these little add-ins in here. And put the little accent. Now let's hope next time when I get it out, it doesn't struggle. So overall, I do really like everything I got from the first one. That is everything. So I do really like everything I got from the first one, but I'm going to kind of pick 2 favorites from each one. I think one of my favorites is probably going to be the Dragon Fruit Axolotl. And I think the other one's going to be the Cinnamon one. So yeah, I'm going to put everything back in here real quick. And then, well, except for the things that my mom got, which like I said, she got one from this one. I will add these to my Fidget collection, but it's at the moment. I'm just going to leave them in here at the moment. There's everything in that bag. You guys can let me know what item is your favorite or what. Now to the second bag, which is the stuff from yesterday. Now this one does actually say Learning Express. I honestly don't even remember. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to go grab scissors because I just remembered, yeah, the stuff is not open. I'll be right back. I completely forgot all about that. So there's that. I did mention that this stuff's not open. Yeah. First thing first is this little axolotl. Again, the axolotls. So just got to pull the tag off, set it aside, I'll throw away afterwards. So basically, it's just an air squishy. One thing is, when we buy squishies, some of them do have the LED like light things in them. Like especially like I noticed these type of squishies do, but this one's just for wear, so it's okay for me to have. I do not like the flashing lights, so that's why we have to be cautious. Not only I got this one, but I also got the blue one. So let me get his tag off real quick. They are actually called puffer axolotls. Same thing as if you just blue. I don't know. There was a few other colors. There was orange, yellow, green, and purple, but these were the 2. Alright. Like I said, I did pick out a lot of pink stuff. So yeah. Oh, I have another axolotl. Okay, so basically in my axolotl, I have these axolotls from Learning Express. I had the pink and the green and purple. I was missing the blue one, so I did pick him up. Now he is in a little baggie, and yeah. Oh, he's got a little bit of defect on it. That's okay. And he is just pink, that was spicy. Like the whatever you want. Oh, I don't know. Now I have one of each color. His tail's a little not lined right. That's okay. Oh. Oh. I didn't realize again. So, like the axolotl dragon fruit I got from the other one, this one's another one in the bubble stuffers, but it is one of their Easter ones. I picked up the purple bunny. There was also a green, blue, and pink, and then there was a little chick. But I went with the purple one. What just happened? I did not. So yeah, it's basically like the same thing. It's like a DNA ball in a plush form. I do really like the textures of these. I will say that. I'm just looking for this bag. Like, where do I get next? Real quick, I am gonna get these two out. There's already other two things. Oh my gosh, got this little piggy, like wind up thing. I don't know what it is, and a little 3D. So yeah, I'm gonna put those to the side because those are hers, not mine. I don't know why I'm showing you this. Okay. So this is a two-tone puffer ball, and it's basically like the texture the two axolotls are, but it's actually like the other axolotl. It's like those two together. It's got the like texture that, and it's cream filled squishy. So yeah, they had so many other colors, but I went with blue. There was this one that was 2 shades pink, and I did not get that one. I don't know, blue, pink, and purple was the colors I was mainly picking a lot of my stuff. I don't know why. There's that. It's a little bit basic. Okay, speaking of this is a learning, they call it a bead squish ball, and I'm pretty sure it's just like a DNA ball. I do have a DNA ball, but I don't really have too many DNA balls in my collection, so I decided if this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking, yeah, that's exactly what this is. It's a DNA ball. Pretty basic squishy. But yeah. It's just got pink, green, and purple little DNA balls in it. I don't know. They called it beads, but that's not beads. That's definitely like DNA there. Interesting. Interesting. I'm trying to figure out where to put everything. Okay, okay, this is a random dinosaur pump tube, and it's basically, well, I'm gonna remove this. They put it in like a weird spot. Except the little triceratops, and basically, I like pop tubes, but the only thing is when they don't, I like the ones like this where it's got something at each end where it's not as loud, because I feel like I just don't like the loud noise from them when they don't have the ends covered. So, and I do have a lot of dinosaur Fidget, so this can go right in. I do have quite a few more type DNA ones. I'm gonna get all those out real quick. Or at least ones I think. Yeah. The rest, I believe, are sugar squish. So yeah. Here's all the other DNA type ones I picked up. So this one is a gumball machine, and I believe it's gonna be something like this. I could be wrong. They did basically it's just a DNA ball in a little bit of a funner shape. So you could have like a basic DNA ball, or you could have like this. They did have like different, all the names were the same, but they had like different color bubblegum machines. So you could get pink, blue, maybe, no, that was more of a teal. Purple or yellow, and I went with the pink one. I don't know. So yeah. I do really like bubblegums, I guess maybe that's something to do. These two are the exact same, but I decided to get one of each color. So they're like, I believe more DNA gold. They call it Squeeze Bead Unicorn. What they call this one? I don't know. It didn't really say on that one. But for some reason they're calling everything Squeeze Bead, not DNA Ball like they're called, but okay. I'm gonna open them both real quick and then I'll get them. So I believe the last two are basically the same thing. I just decided to grab one of each color. So this one, it's not even a unicorn. It's an alicorn because there's a horn and the wing. So yeah, it's just a DNA ball. This one's got like warm colors, yellow, pink, and orange. And then the other one has blue, green, and purple. Again, just little DNA balls. But they're a little bit minier compared to the other one.